Hello everyone. In today's tutorial video, we are going to show you how to record a custom message over the phone to send out as a voice broadcast. To get started with creating a custom message for your account over the phone, from your DialMyCalls dashboard, click on the Recordings tab at the top of your screen. Add a new recording to your account by clicking on Add Recording. If you have no recordings in your account, you will automatically see the Record Message option. Click on Record Message to bring up the Record a Message modal. Fill out the message name and then put in your 10-digit phone number or a 10-digit phone number that you can answer. Click Call Me and our system will call your number and walk you through recording a message right over the phone. Once you are done, you will be prompted to hang up the phone call. Once you have successfully recorded your message, you will see your recording has been saved. Close the dialog box and your new recording will be available in your account to use as a voice broadcast. There is no limit to the amount of recordings you can have in your account. We recommend every recording is at least 15 seconds in length. That concludes our tutorial video. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us toll free at 800-928-2086 or send an email to sales@dialmycalls.com. Thank you and have a great day.